Transverse and longitudinal. Tree trunk. If I cut this section along its length, it will be called as longitudinal section. If I cut it along its thickness, it would be called as transverse section. So longitudinal means long comes from along, something like that. But this is not what it actually means. So what it actually means, are you ready? This one is the most significant criteria. So better pay attention. Football stadium. Sir, I know you kick the ball, energy goes, blah, 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 momentum goes, fine, fine, fine. That's okay. No, that's not what I'm saying. Let's look at the audience. Spirited audience of UEFA Cup. ठीक है, Champions League चल रहा है, right? And Champions League final is going on. I will not tell you between which teams, otherwise you will discover my loyalties towards my football clubs, which I want to keep a secret. So match चल रहा है, right? And the huge noise erupts when the players walk in and the audience decides to do a Mexican wave. How does a Mexican wave work? Something like that. Watch. Something like this. Keep watching. Matlab, one section of the audience starts it. How do they start? They say, hail up, put your hands up in the air like you don't care, and hail down, and then sit down. Matlab, you are sitting in your seat. Get up for once, put your hands in the air, and sit down. As you are sitting down, the person next to you, in the line person next to you, they will repeat your motion. So basically, everybody is hailing up, hailing down, right? And then the person next follows suit. Okay. And from the top, it looks like a wave going. My question is, two questions I'll ask. Question number one, did the people in the crowd who are making the Mexican wave move? I'll repeat the question. Are the people in the crowd at rest? No. You only said na hailed up and hailed down. Correct. They are not at rest? No, sir. Are the people in the crowd changing their positions? No. They were sitting in the same seat. They are back in their seats again. So position did not change. Acha, so you are playing that game which you played with in heat and thermodynamics. Isothermal process does not mean delta T equal to 0. Isothermal process means dt equal to 0. यहाँ पे उल्टा कर दो. The people are not at rest. That means their dx is not 0. But they did not change their position. Their delta x is 0. I'll repeat. People are not at rest. But people are not moving either. So now this is a play of words. Arey nahi baba, it's not play of words. People are not at rest means they're fidgety. Right? They did move up and down, but they did not change their position. This is what a wave is. When a wave goes through a medium, it's not that the medium remains static. Nobody said that. I never said that. The medium moves. The medium allows the disturbance to go through. But the medium does not change its position. Arey, best example, Baba. Best example is what was your activity in your NCERT books or whichever board you are in 7th, 8th, 6th, 7th, 8th standard. What was it? Placid water surface, swimming pool, lake, put a huge stone. What happens? Sir, water ripples produce hote hain. Correct. Put a wooden cork. Yaad hai? Put a wooden cork in the pathway of those ripples. Kya hoga? Sir, the cork bobs up and down. Question. If the water ripples are going away from the source, why is the cork bobbing up and down and not swept away? Yaad aaya? Are all these things pointing towards the same thing? Yes, they are. Watch the motion. This is preparation of a standing wave. Right? Audience is being educated about how to make a standing wave. Watch what happens. See? When this person is coming, one person is bobbing up, the other person bobs down. Did they change their position? No. So in other words, this is what a transverse wave is. Watch what is happening. The particles go up and down, but the wave goes right. So where is the particle motion in this? Vertical. Can you see the arrow? But where is the energy getting transferred? Right side direction. Here. समझ में आया? When the particles of the medium move perpendicularly to the wave propagation direction, the wave is called transverse. So you are saying Mexican wave is a transverse wave? Damn straight. So you are saying water ripples is a transverse wave? Damn straight. So you are saying sound is a transverse wave? No. So you are saying that TRX thing is a transverse wave? Damn straight. Mathematically बात करें? Mathematically, if Vp is the particle's velocity at any instant and Vw is the wave velocity at any instant, then Vp dot Vw is 0. Why? Because they are perpendicular. Got it? So transverse. Boop. Transverse. Sound. Why, sir? Batate hain. What's the other part? Longitudinal. Watch this now. This time what's happening? Sir, the particle motion and the wave motion are in the same direction. Correct. Sound ke liye bhi. Come on. Say those two words. Come on. I know everybody has heard those two words without understanding what they mean. Come on. Compression and rarefaction. Sound goes through compression and rarefaction. और यहीं रुक जाओ. Stop right now. Don't digress. We'll go later. But at least we do know sound doesn't follow the same transverse thingy. So what thingy does sound follow? Sound follows some longitudinal thingy. What does that mean? In which the particle and the disturbance are in the same direction. You mean to say particle motion and the wave motion are in the same direction? Yes. You mean to say that if Vp is particle's velocity and Vw is wave velocity, then Vp cross Vw is 0 because the angle is 0. Absolutely.